Welcome back, sports fans. I'm here with a new game called In The Asylum, even though it should be called PewDiePie in Asylum. But this looks like a really good game. Watch the trailer to it and all the reviews. It's really, really awesome. It's supposed to be pretty scary at some bits, so let's find out just how scary it might be really be. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Wow. What's this? We have what would A for to pick up. I'm tired of taking these pills. The doctor says it should make me feel better. However, I still get these blackouts. Only to find myself lost with demons in my head. Wow. Every time I close my eyes, they haunt me. Ooh. What do we got here? Can't pick. Wait, what's this? Wow. How cool is this? Right under the bed. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Gotta admit, that actually is pretty cool. Alright, we have... Oh, hello, what's this? Oh, hang on. What's R? Oh. Okay, this is weird. Oh, okay, hang on. Hold F. What the hell is going on? Oh, wow. That's kooky. What do we got? Oh, awesome. Pick lock. Let's get out of this room, eh? Oh, God. Oh, shit. That's not good. I have a feeling I'm going to be locked in this room for a while. I might have to go back into options and change these sensitivity around, because this is just crazy. Oh, god damn. I can't even turn the sensitivity off. Oh, that's just not fair. Oh, not good one little bit. This is a joke. Oh, you son of a bitch. I fucking hate pick fucking locking. I fucking do. Why do you always gotta make it so fucking hard? For fuck's sake. Oh, fuck off! I'm never gonna get out of this fucking stupid room because of this. This is one fucking big joke. What a fucking joke this is. Oh, fuck off! You fucking kidding me? Didn't even fucking do nothing. Wish this wasn't so fucking sensitive. This is fucking bullshit. Oh, come fucking on! What am I gonna fucking do to fucking get this? This is a fucking joke. Oh, about fucking time. Finally got out of the door. Fucking, this is just a joke, this is. Bloody, Oh, this is seriously a fucking joke. Wow, it's dark out here. Bloody, where am I? Where the fuck am I now? Oh, I'm in another room. Okay then. Alright. And F. Oh, come on, I fucking pressed it, you stupid fucking moron. What the fuck is F? What? Oh, for fuck's sake. Finally. Okay, I have a flashlight. That's good. Better be good news. Sweet, here we go. I have a flashlight. What's this? Don't go in there. Okay, what the fuck? Hey, what the fuck was that? Holy shit. Hey man! What's going on? You look tired, man. Dead tired, you look. Man, I think you need a pillow. Lay down, man. Have a chill. How do you pick this shit up? Oh, this is a fucking joke. Alright. I'm getting a little agitated with this game now, so... Oh god, what have we got now? Okay, it's happening again. I'm seeing things that are not there, but all seems so real. Last time that I was here, I didn't end up so well before I woke up in bed again. This time I can't let them get me. I have to find a place to hide when they come. Ooh. When they come, eh? That sounds pretty righteously scary. I don't think I want to bump into people that want to hurt me really bad. So bad that I will cry. I don't want to cry. No, this game is pretty cool, except for the pickpocketing. And my character can't even run. You know what pisses me off most? Is that I can't even name my goddamn character. And if I did, I would have named him PewDiePie. It's an asylum. He loves horror games, horror games. And watching his live thingy, that's just pretty damn... Holy crapples and stuff. I don't know. What the hell? Why am I hiding? Press A. Oh god, I don't want to be under a goddamn friggin' thing. What the hell is this? We have... What was that? Okay, I'm a little concerned now. I'm in the dark with just a flashlight. Freddy Krueger's going to be finding me somewhere, isn't he? Okay. What the hell do I have to do? This is a joke. Come on, really? Give us a hand. I don't know what's going on in this, but I'm pretty bloody getting agitated now. Don't even know what to friggin' do. Stuck in a room. If I can't get out of here, I'm going to be really... Okay. Alright. That's it. I'm actually going to end the game here. It's bloody confusing. I don't know what to do, so I'm going to have to look on YouTube or something to see if there's actually any videos on this and how it's actually done to get past this next part, which is having trouble with. So until then, stay tuned and see you back in the next video.